guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm back from Mexico. It was such a fun trip, and make sure you watch those vlogs. Yeah, because I pretty much filmed every day of the trip. But anyways, I'm back, and I thought I'd do a Saturday vlog, I guess. We are going to the beach in a couple of minutes, so yeah, I thought I'd vlog my day for you guys. Before we get started, make sure to please like, subscribe, and comment and everything. And yeah, let's get into this video. So the beach is having really low tide right now, but it's still really pretty, and my dog Penny is over there and she is loving the beach. Anyway, we're walking around because we have a little bit of time until our reservation at the beach cafe for brunch, I guess. So that is where we are headed soon.